Hey everyone! Now, before starting your multiplayer game creation journey, we recommend you join the course's Discord server. The link to that is provided in the next lecture. This is a place where you ask for help and share work with other game developers. For example, let's say you have a problem with syncing player animations. Well, you can head to that particular text channel in the server, ask kindly for help, and someone from the community will get back to you. Even better if you can provide answers for other devs in need. There's also a channel to look for willing players to try your multiplayer creation with. You are welcome to go through the course using squares and circles, or can take time making beautiful art for your world. That's completely up to you. Same for the game idea. You can copy ours, which is probably a good idea when just starting out, but then we really encourage you to take what you learned and apply it all by coming up with an original multiplayer concept and bring it to life so you can play with friends and family. Enjoy the ride. We hope you learn a great deal.